Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the city center of Milan, where today I'm gonna do a quick walk around the all-new Toyota Yaris Cross. And this is a jacked up Yaris, let's call it like that. So as you can see, it's an SUV. It's got the same wheelbase as the new Yaris, but it is a bit longer. And you will see that on the front we have the optimistic face, I would say. So LED lights are here. You have this grille divided into two sections and the Toyota badge that's got this blue elements so that you know that it is, as you can see, a hybrid. So this car has a 1.5 liter hybrid engine. And down there you will see the fog lights as well as the daytime running LEDs that are hidden in here. So tell me in the comments, what do you think about this design? I think it looks quite cool, and as I said, it's an optimistic face, and this B segment SUV should have a lot of success on the market as it's a very popular segment. Let me show you the side profile. So you see it is a bit higher up from the ground compared to the Yaris. It is actually 3 centimeters higher, so the ground clearance. And you see we have the wheel arches in an interesting shape. This is in plastic to make it more robust. These are the dual tone wheels, and they have 18 inch, so 215, 50 are 18. Those are the tire dimensions. We have the Goodyear tires on this model. Side skirts are also in plastic. Notice this cool little detail, the Yaris Cross. And let us now move on to the back of the car. First thing you'll notice also is the dual tone. We have a black roof on this car in combination with this bright color. And at the back, we have the same pattern of the lights as on the Yaris, which means they are connected. You have the LED light in here, and they are connected with this part, which is not illuminated, but looks cool. And also this is to give it a bit more of a aggressive design, and it looks particularly cool in combination with bright colors such as this one. The diffuser is here as well, and the exhaust can actually be seen down there. And I do love this gray element in combination with the plastic. This is a hybrid, and we have the all-wheel drive, intelligent all-wheel drive on this car. So quite impressive amount of technology on a small SUV. Tell me in the comments what are your thoughts. And I believe that we can't enter the car because of the measures, but I will try to film the interior for you from outside. So they just confirmed that I can't open the car because of the measures. However, we can take a look from here. You notice once again very similar pattern to the Yaris. You have this floating screen, and in front of the driver there is a digital dashboard, 3-spoke steering wheel. This is the well, I don't know if you can see now, but yeah, the gear lever and the driving mode button and the EV mode button are here in the middle. So all very much familiar from the Yaris. Tell me in the comments what are your thoughts. You will also notice the JBL speakers on this particular model. The details about this hybrid powertrain will be available in the description, so you can check it out. Tell me in the comments what do you think about this car. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.